This is BV Venture Art. I'm here to train you on how to make your cone with sinamay. You need your sinamay, you need your scissors, your tape roll, and your glue gun. The size of my cone is 8.5 by 8. 8.5 by 8. Then you cut your size that you need out. Look at it. This is my size. What you now do is that fold it into triangular shape like this, to triangular shape. Then use your hand to stretch it so that it can be smooth. You can trim if the edge of your sinamay is not straight. You can see it. Then stretch it. You can stretch your sinamay. Now, take your glue gun. Put your glue gun at the edge. Of the two sides of the sinamay. Then you can see my hand. You can turn it the way it's easier for you to fold. Fold it like this. You join the two edges here together. Make sure that the mouths of the two edges join together. And use your scissors to cut, shape on the mouth. You can see it. This is how to make cone. We are going to make 3. You can see this a cone. I make cone. Can join the 3 together to form a design. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.